student, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. So dear student, we start new topics and chapters name biodiversity in organism. Topic name is phylums, porifera or sponges. So following are its basic features: cellular level of the organizations, now model animals, holes on body which lead to a canal systems for the circulations of water and food, and hard outside layer is called skeletons. Example: cycone, spongial, euclatelia. A cycone and euclatelia, let's look at this picture. The holocylindrical shape. Phylum second, Coelenterata. The following are its the basic features: this tissues level of organization, no coeloms, radial symmetry, diploplastic, hologot. Example: Hydra, see anyone the jellyfish, Corallus, colonials. Sea anemone and corallus. Sea anemone, let's look at this picture, and corallines. Phylum third. Fourth, the following are its the basic features: tissue level of organization, no coelom present, radial symmetry, diploblastic, hepcomplastic for locomotion, aquatic. Example: Paleropharyngia. So phylum is third. Mostly is the basic features of phylums. Phylum 4, Platyhelminthes. The following are its basic features. Also called flatworm, no column present, bilateral symmetry, tropoblastic, phylum of Platyhelminthes. Free living or the parasite digestive cavity has one opening for both ingestion of the ingestión. So example: planaria, free living, liver flux parasite is a planaria, is a liver flux. Phylum fifth, nematode. Nematode, the following are its the basic features: false columns, bilateral symmetry, tropoblastic, cylindrical. The following are its the basic features: false the coelom, bilateral symmetry, tropoblastic, cylindrical. Many are parasite worm living inside human body. Many are parasite worms living inside human body and can cause the various disease like Irles worm cases, elephantiasis roundworm, and pinworm live in human intestine. Intestine example: Agris the follicularia, Ascaris, and Vulocularia. Phylum 6, Mollusca. Mollusca, followings are its the basic features: they present tropoblastic, bilateral symmetry, soft body, sometimes covered with seal, generally not segmented, and soft body sometimes covered with cell. Generally not segmented, no appendages the present, muscular foot for the movement that is present. So kindly like organ for excretion. Example: cytone, octopus, Pila unio. Octopus, Pila unio and examples. Phylum in Annelida. Annelida, the following are its the basic feature: Secondly, largest phylum. Phylum present and bilateral tropoblastic. Bilateral and tropoblastic. Segmented the segments specialized for the different function. Water or land. Water and land. Extensive organ differentiations. Example earthworm, leech, nares. Example earthworm, leech, nares. Phylum 8 Orthopod. Yeah, Orthopoda. Following are these basic features. Largest phylum consists of 80% of species. The largest phylum consists of 80% of species, generally known as the insect phylum present. Generally known as the insect phylum present. Segmented it sometimes fused to the exoskeleton of in joint appendages the like the feet, antenna, example prawn, scorpio, cockroach, housefly, butterfly, spider. So information for our antenna, prawn, and housefly. So look at this figure and picture. Phylum 9, Echinodermata. Echinodermata. The following are its the basic features: spiny skin, marine not no notochord, xylem present bilateral symmetry and tropoblastic. Xylem present bilateral symmetry, tropoblastic. Endoskeleton of the calcium carbonate. Endoskeleton of calcium carbonate, water vascular system for locomotion, water vascular system for locomotion, bilateral symmetry before birth and radial symmetry after birth. Bilateral symmetry before birth and radial symmetry after birth. For example, Andron sea cucumber, starfish, echinus. Dear student, is mostly phylums, journal features and characteristic. So I hope you are understand. Mostly phylums feature is covered. So dear student, today your homework, write the features of porifera or sponges. Second one, write the features of mollusca. And question third, write a short note on nematode. So students, today your online test submit evening 8 o'clock. Thank you students. Be careful. Next class will start on 25th May.